Hey guys.
Hi. Thank you.
So we decided to do what?
Well, right now there's a big craze called mug cakes. Have you heard of mug cakes?
Not mud cakes.
Not
mug.
mud. Mug,
M-U-G.
like coffee mug. And it's a really cool concept that you have a small number of ingredients and you mix it in a mug and you pop it in the microwave and then you have a sort of a single serving cake or brownie.
Right.
It's a very cool theory, but it does rely on a microwave. And how do we feel about the microwave?
Not so good.
Not so good. Plus, I'll be honest, I tested the recipes in the microwave and in the oven. And you saw the difference. What did you think?
Oh my gosh. Incredible. The oven will make it look so much better. And
Fluffy.
it tastes better.
Microwave was sort of like a dense,
It's kind of a rubber cake.
like a hockey puck
Yeah, pretty bad.
cake. But, you know, people do it, people love it. So I said, okay, if we're not going to do it in the microwave, we'll do it in the oven. It's quick. It's about 10 or 15 minutes, depending on your oven. But I realized that the mug was way too much food, way too much cake.
These are bite-sized morsels.
Yeah.
These are made in little cupcake pans.
They're
right?
like, what do we call them? Cake bites.
Cake bites.
Yeah. What are they?
Cake bites.
Cake bites. Say that 3 times
No, I
fast.
can't.
Cake bites,
I
cake
can't.
bites, cake
Can't say
bites,
it.
cake
Can't say
bites. So, so we decided to make them in a small, and when I say we, I mean me.
Her.
Decided to make them in a small cupcake pan, and they came out great. So now, and ask me when you eat these.
At the meal. They're little bite-sized morsels. Just take one right after a meal. Let's see if it's any good.
This one is a blueberry muffin, and it's great.
Yeah, they're really good. No sugar, no flour.
Yeah, the thing I really like about this recipe, because I was thinking, okay, we're not going to make them in the microwave. Why not just make a cake or whatever? What I love about this mug cake concept is all the recipes are just for a small amount. So literally, one mug recipe makes 8 little cake bites. So if you just need a little something after a meal, you just feel like you need that little treat, that little nummy num.
Put some butter on it.
Well, you could, but I think it's kind of sweet for that. But you could do it. You could put some butter on it.
Good.
So there you go. And then you don't have an entire cake or 27 cupcakes sitting staring you in the face every
Well,
day.
let's show them how super simple it is to make.
Super simple.
Check this out. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Please click the subscribe button and I will see you in the next video.